Okay. Looks like we're live. I hope we're live. I hope we're live. Looks like we're live. And yeah, we're live. Hello everyone and welcome to making my game in a game jam. Now I'm gonna close this browser because I don't need it. It's gonna take up some space. So I'm just gonna check if my mic's on. Sounds like my mic's on. Yeah, my mic's on. And so, lots of code. So, my game jam, it has less than a day, and I need to get to making a main menu. Which one should be bigger, the one that has Unity or the one that has all my code? Which one seems more interesting? Somebody say it in the chat. In Discord. Oh yeah, that's right. It has a. Oh my gosh. I forgot. It has streamer mode, so I'm safe. I'm gonna. For right now, I'm gonna actually bring that down. I'm gonna send the live thing to Discord.
I think you should keep it up on the code.
So there we go. I sent that to my Discord, and now. Wait, both sides are code? No, that's Visual Studio up there. So we got Unity. We got the demo basement. Nothing too impressive. It's just a demo basement. A bunch of doors and stuff. Really don't have an ending for the. Really, I'm just waiting for. And it looks like my person that does the sounds actually sent that the email for the chase sound. So I'm gonna disable that screen real quick and bring up my browser, so it will only be one side, because I just found out I got an email and I forgot to at everyone, or well, at here. And there we go. That should get people running. That's my YouTube studio. I don't need that. I can close that. Okay, I need to get my audio from there. Man, this game jam ends less than a day. Hmm. You guys have any ideas? You just put it down in the comments. Well, not in the comments, but a live chat. But, fun, less than a day. I have to get a sound from my sound designer. I think it's, the chase that I have not too much done. Oh no. The game is for like the Scream Jam 2020, and it's very short. I've heard all of the things are short. This is what I got so far because of a bunch of blue screens and stuff like that. Blue screens, and I restarted the game after 1/3 of the way through the jam. So that's always fun, but that's what I. All right, there we go. Um, so this is what I have so far. I think I accidentally pressed a keybind that mutes me, which is very sad. Hotkeys. I think it's L. Yeah, right here. You could delete these so far. And so, as of right now, uh, we got a small map that is for. This is what I got so far because of like 5 blue screens, and I restarted the project 1/3 of the way through the the jam itself, and man, that's very disappointing. But that's how it goes. Plus, I lost all of my almost all of my progress throughout, so that's always fun. And let's see. Let's go to itch.io and get to the jam because we have less than a day left to complete this jam. We go to the jams and hopefully get it submitted in time. I actually have the jam, 2 jams, except this one starts in 10 days. Very fun. Hopefully I don't get as many blue screens though. So, less than 24 hours. I have to complete this project in less than 24 hours. So, let's do this thing. So, the robot, as of right now, is very dumb. Really doesn't know what to do. So, we need to fix the wander, chase, and maybe even listen phase and full listen, because robot's really dumb. So, let's see, so we got the restrictions for the random AI. Oh boy. So at the start it does all these things. Um let's see. Has a raycast check allowing for forwards. This is for all sides. Raycast check. I don't know. It's a bunch of raycast stuff. That's all I know. And so you will see on the map, I have gizmos enabled, so you will see all the red lines and stuff. If I enable gizmos on here and maximize the game, uh, you'll see that there's a red line. There's red lines, meaning that the animatronic. That's basically its vision. You won't be able to see it in the actual game, but those are the red lines. Now, it's a little different from my perspective because this is debugging mode, and so red means that he can't see you. Green means he can see you. Purple means he would have seen you if he was closer. And those are basically all of the colors of the lines. Now, he's in chase mode right now, and as you can see, he's not doing really well. He's kind of just loving on that wall over there. He doesn't know what to do. I know. And I really need to make him smarter. Because as of right now, he's really just loving on that wall over there. Nobody really knows. That's what I asked. If you wanted the game on the big screen or the programming. I So it's still a very small game. And the game basically ends when we get to the point where the elevator stops. There's no more game after this. If I press C, yeah, no more game. The game is officially gone. And so, yeah. We don't have much, and I guess they want to see game more, so...
I want to play. No.
Hmm. Is that better for you guys? Bigger Unity screen, less bigger code? I don't know if you guys are interested in the code, but I know you guys are interested in the game aspect. Okay, so you guys want smaller code is what I'm hearing. That's fine. I know people aren't that interested in learning code language, so that's fine by me. So we got our UI as well. We got our HP. We kind of need to just make the robot smarter. I wonder, huh? Maybe we should make the robot look at the player when when uh, they when they walk into the listening zone, because the listening zone is going to be very useful, and if they're walking in the listening zone, they should be watching them. So that could definitely make the AI more smarter, and will make them go after the player more, because the eyes are always going to be on the player. So really, the player just has to run away and hope that they don't die. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. And that's part of the anger phase. I could add like a a bull and make that happen. So bull, look on site. Then add the same thing. Bool, look on site. And then if look on site,
Yeah, I've even seen.
what's the theme? You guys can still hear me. I don't know. My computer mentally broke right now.
Looks like this is going just fine. So I don't.
Okay, I don't know what happened there. The computer just broke. And apparently I switched scenes. Really? I use the arrow keys to switch scenes. Alright, yeah. There's no reason to use the arrow keys when doing that. What's the theme? Well, the theme is horror, so that's a fun point. Now, this can go, because there's no reason for that. Look on site will make the object be look at it. So I believe it's robot. No, it's not. What's the game object? It's body. And it will dot look at? Yes. And it will look at the player. Dot transform. And position? Yeah, it looks like it. What kind of horror are you making? That's a good question. Technically, you're just pulling a bunch of switches to pull your escape, is all. So, lock on site. If I could basically just copy this. Don't listen to me, because this is not the right way to code. Let me just say that to you guys. It's not the right way to code. You do not copy and paste like I do. But in this case, I don't have time to worry about that. Alright, let's see. I'll compile it. Oh no. What did I break? To bool? Oh no. Oh, it's the player move script. I did nothing wrong. It's just because I didn't switch all of the stuff to the right stuff. I need to find yes this, and then I need to make it where it's a bool, and I need to make it true. That should fix everything. Like, oh my gosh. Takes 0 arguments. Lever? Why does lever use anger? Oh yeah, that's right. I have something that uses anger. And so we got that code done. That's amazing. Let's see if that robot really takes the cake and looks at me every step of the way. I'd be surprised if this works, unless the nav mesh actually has its own rotation. So if I do this, oh, it works! Holy step! Run, run, run! Holy step! Oh my gosh! Holy baldy! Oh my gosh! This dude really knows where you are now. Holy snap. Okay, and it looks like I'm out of the hearing range, so I'm pretty fine. I could go over here. Yeah, you don't want to mess with that dude anymore. He's not dealing with you. What do you guys think? Should I make like the looking distance a farther? Cause it should be kind of obvious. You have big brain energy going on right now. Yeah, that would definitely make it more scary. This dude's coming right for you. Should I? You guys think? What do you guys think? Should I increase the icing distance? I think you could see too. That's not what I mean. I meant for the animatronic, but is the robot like Terminator? No, technically not. The robot is kind of not like Terminator. The robot's kind of dumb. The robot itself is kind of dumb. It can't really kill you without any type of motion to do so. Also, can you guys hear the audio of the game? I don't think you guys can hear the audio. Looks good, Booga. Hey, thanks. Yeah, let's increase this baby's stinking ability to see. Make this dude scary. Let's see. I should really make these numbers like you should make it so the robot pounces. What do you mean? You mean like it like runs for you for a short amount of time? I can hear it. Okay, good. Let's see. So we need to make like a small little zone that makes it where the robot can hit you without having him to be fully on you, because as of right now he has to be like stomping you into the ground before you become less HP. How much time do I have left? 22 hours. I'm gonna run to the store. I'll be right. Let's see. So we need to increase his distance. Let's do it. I'm just gonna make a integer because that's going to be easier to do something about. This game is called Impersonation, and basically it is supposed to be like a social deception game, but the multiplayer broke and I had to reset the game, which is why it's single player now. But I'm just gonna say multiplayer isn't off the block, so there might be a multiplayer soon. You could get my word on that. I mean, there's multiplayer components still in here, just they aren't used. Let's see. Forward and distance 80. Really? Really? It has to be greater than 80. Well, eye distance will change that. I could... How many stuff is 80? I'm pretty sure the only thing that's 80 is the stuff in those stuff. So, I'm pretty sure I could just replace that. So let's replace 80 with eye distance. See what happens. I can't see that. Oh, is it because it's not a word? Oh no, it looks like it took my suggestion. Alright, let's hope it didn't break everything by replacing everything. So, looks like he has eyes of a hawk, so maybe a little too far, but we'll never know until we test it. I mean, considering it used to be like 80 distance, so let's just say either I'm dead or I'm dead. So he sees me right there, which makes a lot of sense actually. Now he's out of distance, so okay, it's not too bad. So let's see. He's all the way over there. That's a bruh. That's the place I need. Bruh. Is he seriously in chase mode? Well, now he is. Now he is. Oh no. Oh, I don't like that I added that. Like legit, I don't like that I added that rotation. He's more dangerous now. Holy snap. I made the most dangerous AI ever. Like, oh my gosh. He's over there. Like, maybe I should, like, turn off the gizmos for this mode to make it more of an enjoy experience for you guys. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Leave me alone. This dude be like, he's never leaving me alone, man. No. Oh my gosh. Leave me alone. Like, come on, man. Leave me be. Holy snap, man. Can't leave me be for a second. He's way more dangerous than before. I like that change. Should have made that change a long time ago. Like, holy goodness. Can I make it? That's a nope. Oh my god. This thing got turned into a killing machine. Literally. I'll turn off gizmos because I want to see what it's like, but one moment. Let's see, can I get you guys something that can interest you? Here, I'm just gonna play some video of mine so that you guys don't get bored. I'll be back within a few minutes.
Let's get started. Oh, this is way different.
Welcome one and all the funky pumpties. If your lights turned off, then you're a safe word. If your lights are on, they'll come find you and rip you a brand new face.
Oh my! There's a battery. Okay. Oh no. Red, blue. Okay. Oh, it spells out die. Amazing. Yes.
Rar, rar,
Rar.
rar, rar, rar,
Rar.
rar, 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 rar.
Alright, everyone, I am back, and let's see. What did the sound designer give me for the chase scene? Nice. This is very good. And let's see. So, there we go. We got the new sound. And man, I can't pull a Danny right now. I sort of am. I'm kind of making the menu at the last second. Oh my gosh. Well, we have to make the menu somehow, so let's see. So we got to give credits to these people. There we got credits. Bam! Make that thing big. Maybe centered. Probably best to make it centered. And then have that go to the top right of that. And then, like, bam. Yes. And then we got sound design by, there we go. Is it me or is that looking kind of... I'm sorry. I think that line is kind of copyrighted by Danny himself, so we always look up to Danny with the things he says. Man. And then let's see, where's the voice actors? There we go, that's the voice actor. Guys, you think we need music? I don't think so. Music makes a game better, but man. And let's see, oh yeah, the model. Let's see, where's the 3D model? I know I have the history for it somewhere. The robot. The 3D model. Man, why does Chrome take so much time to come up, man? Okay, holy snap. You know what? I think it's also time for a face cam. Oh. Oh boy. Face cam is going kind of crazy. I'm gonna have to bring the face cam into another view soon, but as of right now, it's fine. Alright, let's see. Face cam. Oh, so here. Back so you can see unit. There we go. There's a 3D model I'm looking for, and I could credit the guy that created it so that it doesn't get copyrighted. So it looks like Everything Animations made this model. I wonder. Nothing but much but to assume. Bam. Okay, that's way too small. You guys think we should have it red? Yeah, red. No, red. Maybe have a background to it. We could put that as an image. Image back here, done. And then put this image. No. That's gonna change the image itself. Bam. Well, now that's something. Maybe we should have the play button on it too. What do you guys think? You know, have the play button near the credits. Alright, we could put it back to 2 screens and then have my face cam. Where's my face cam? Oh no. Is it? I think it's video capture device. Yes, it is. And let's just flip it. Bam! I'm just like flipping it. Why not just flip it? Now I'm a mirror. You guys want it flipped or not? I mean, it makes it easier for me because now I could track my hand movements. Like, I would know it's my right hand or if it's my left hand. But, yeah! Now I kind of need some milk if you ask me. Wait a minute, I'm not Danny. I'm pretty sure that's copyrighted too. But yeah, milking! Need some strong bones. Let's see. So, let's save the menu before I get a blue screen. Let's just say that. And we add this to the build settings. Okay, good. So this is the first thing that you see. And then, UI, we get the button. Yes, it's a button. Put the button right here. Shrink that button a little bit. I wonder, should I just do this? This is an awkward space for a button, if you ask me. And then play. Needs to be bigger. No, bigger. Yes. Impersonation, a game by one man who can't code in less than a day. I mean, you're kind of right though. I mean, I can kind of code, but I can't code in a day. A day. In 21 hours. Need to make a new script. My scripts are everywhere. This is the typical thing for like all of this stuff. Start button. I'm going to give Nitro on Discord in a month or two. Wow, it's spoopy. Pretty spoopy, man. Pretty spoopy. You know what else is spoopy? My game code. Yeah, it's pretty spoopy. We got the start button. Alright, we need, I believe, Unity scene management. IntelliSense. Unity engine dot. Okay, hopefully this doesn't crash my stream. Is that not what it is? I have a feeling that it doesn't know what it's doing. Code is spaghetti. Code is definite spaghetti. I got spaghetti code. Heck yeah! Scene man. I almost crashed Microsoft Visual Studio. Oh no. Alright, let's see. We need a button. No, we also need Unity Engine. Oh no, Unity Engine. Unity Engine.ui. Start button. Audible cues. What? Let's see. I know there's a method on click plus equals. Wait, no, it's not that. Add listener. then we put in a method, and it's called void start the game, boys. Yes. And then we put that as the method. Start the game, boys. I don't think we need that. I actually don't think we need those two. Maybe... no, it doesn't like that. Okay, so then we need load scene. Where's load scene? Is it like Unity something? Unity... is it scene? Scene.load scene? No. No, I play game. I need to find scene manager. Scene manager, that is it. And then load scene. Load scene 1. Perfect! Oh boy. There's code. We need oh no, I really don't like the inspector over there. There we go. And then start button. Oh no, just put it on button. Okay, we got the button. Yes. I just installed Unity for the first time. How do I move the camera? Oh my gosh. You can't just make a game off of just Unity engine. That's one thing I will say. You can't make a game just with Unity engine. You need to know how to code. Not making making a game without letting the Unity engine go. Alright, you guys ready for the start button? Okay guys, I made a big problem. I'm having technical difficulties, so...
Let's get started. Oh, this is way different.
Welcome one and all the fun is if your lights turned off, then you're a safe zone. If your lights are on, then they'll come find you and rip you a brand new face.
Oh my, there's a battery. Okay. Oh no. Red, blue. Okay. Oh, it spells out die. Amazing. Yes.
Rar, rar,
Rar.
rar, rar, rar,
Rar.
rar, 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 rar.
Oh. Where's... oh, he's right, yeah. Where's the beaver?
Alright, yo, I'm back, and I got milk. Yes. So, that's pretty cool. But it sort of doesn't work. So I need to do something about it. Cannot convert void into Unity action. That's a bruh. Maybe I have something about this in my other game code and then milking. Yeah, you're right. I need particles. Where's the main camera? I need some particles, boys. We all know that it makes a game better with particles. Very obvious. So we just need to put like this right here and particle system that baby. You know, we also need post-processing too. So, let's see. We need to make the renderer render something else. Material. It's just the skybox. And let's see, size over lifetime. Actually, it looks pretty cool. But the way it does that, probability 100. That looks pretty cool. I added a square. Now that's pretty cool. Now let's see. Let's make it red. Ooh, wait, we could actually do something with the lights. And then the skybox. Just, we don't need one. And then for this, we can do this. I think it's in shape. Oh, cone. Hemisphere. Ooh, heck yeah. How does the square work? That's a really good question. Let's randomize the direction too. And then, let's have lights attached to it. Light. Apparently we need to create some light. So, there's a lens flare, lighting settings. Do we need the component light? So that's what I'm getting at. Yeah, it looks like it. Well, that's certainly interesting. Mesh. Oh. Gonna be a billboard though. Blood. Oh, yes, we need blood, but as of right now, I'm trying to look for the color. Create empty child. Let's see. Noise, yes. Ooh, yes. I actually kind of like that. I'm going to make us go back to the scene so that I can message audio designer. And man, yes, milk. Ah, he made a chase loop. We are all an empty child. Wow. No, I did not want yellow. I want red. I mean, what do you guys think? This is the title sequence over here. Does this look bloody enough? Maybe I need a light too. Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna call this particles. Then I'm going to create an empty child. And then have a light menu. And then light. May light be spoken. Directional. Need it 90. Not that way. 90. Not that way either. 90. How do I make basic controls? Well, I mean, if you knew how to program, you would know how to make basic controls. You can't just get Unity and be like, hey, I'm gonna place this dude right here. He's gonna be able to walk. You need to make the controls based on what you program. In any type of fashion. I'm going to need a wall. Alright, Pro Builder, where are you? Give me Pro Builder. came up over here for some reason. I'm gonna need a wall. Okay, now it's looking down upon. This is part of main camera, and the light is a spotlight. And it's gonna be looking a little bit this way so that it hits that. Hit that thing. It's gonna be red. And then we got the box. Gonna be a fake wall. And then let's put it in face mode and then really make it a fake wall. So then if I bring in the particles, that doesn't look very good. What if I move the light and the wall? And then start up the particles. What do you guys think? We need to make that wall textured. So we get this wall, we need to get the material editor, and then let's make it that material. Yeah. Let's make it that material and then start up the particles. There's no music. Something. At least the menu looks nice. I don't have much time left. Maybe that's the problem? Maybe I need an arrow. C sharp is the language of arrows. Nothing much. I just did some code. And Unity is not responding. So let's see. So seems like that worked. So that's something. Let's see. It could only call you. What? It could only call GUI functions from inside on GUI. What? That's confusing. Didn't give me an error, but okay, I need to see a Unity documentation about this. So Unity UI on click, yeah. Yeah, that should be the case, so why? Also, I got an email. Oh boy. Oh boy. Adding a listener. On click, yeah. Interesting. Also, it seems like I messed up. Make it back to white, and then the normal color is red. Alright, it doesn't like me. And if it doesn't like me, then well, dang it. Oh boy. Let's see. My sound designer wants to watch the stream, so getting the link for him. Alright, there we go. Now, it says on click and add listener. I got on click add listener. You could create a scene. Set active scene. Actually, I have to put it both screens. There we go. Got the code. Got Unity. Oh my gosh. We need to load scene. We could put it in the background. Now that's something. So we have to load in, but it doesn't like the button for whatever reason. This is why you don't do the menu in the last part of the game. Oh, I mean, I guess I have to, but I'm pulling a Danny on this one, truthfully. And I ran out of milk. 4 days. 4 days indeed. Start the game, boys, is not being called. I'm literally reading the documentation page. Right here. It's saying add listener, and I added the listener. What do I have to do more? It's called prior to on click. What the heck? No, it didn't want. There's a button. Static. Start button. Button. Oh my. I don't know if the on click is actually matters. It doesn't seem to want to be with me at all. Oh wait, wrong thing. There's a problem with the server. You gotta be kidding me. I need to read the comments. Make sure to attach these buttons. I have something attached. Yeah, look. Start button right there. Start button on click, add listener. I don't know what I did wrong. Unless I'm supposed to do this for whatever reason, which is really not the Unity way to do things, but for the game jam, it's kinda... Why? No. Problem with the server. There is no problem with the server. Not on click. On click, interesting. Invoke, not what I need. Why does the server keep going down? What's going on? What is going on? Well, what am I supposed to do here? I mean, it doesn't like something. Why is it doing that? Again, like, why is it doing that? I could do this, but then it gives me like a full-on error. Why is a menu taking me this long? I don't know. But holy heck, it's taking me this long. Okay, it doesn't even respond. Well, editor and runtime, maybe. Again, an error. Why am I having errors? Why is my phone having... Okay, maybe I need to restart my phone or something. Restart the stream. See. Nope, it's having an error. It's all having an error. Looks like I'm gonna have to run the stream on my webpage. Which means I'm gonna have to answer your questions a little late then. Which isn't gonna be popular, but means something. If I like put this on and then mute it, it shouldn't be that bad. Oh wait, I could just pull up the chat. Can I? I could just pull out the chat. There we go. Chat pulled out. So now it gives out shoutouts, well, sort of, and I get to read the chat. So that's fun. Yeah, I need to ask something on why it's not letting me do it. Alright, let's see. So I need to find out why the button isn't going my way. And once I get that working, at least the game is intact, so that's at least good. I really can't code. Don't worry. Once you try enough times, you'll be able to. There's what I did. Delegate. Delegate? What do you mean delegate? Delegate. So delegate? What function is this? So this guy's code, delegate your function. What? Weird. Okay, so delegate, it seems like there's two parentheses, by the way. Delegate, and then does it start the game, boys? Oh, wait, I need to end it. No. I need to end it. Oh my gosh. End it. No. No. What the heck? Yeah, I need to end it. It needs to stop doing that. And it really doesn't like that either. I do have that. Hey man, I did like the sound of it. Good luck finishing. Oh! Welcome. Yeah. Thanks. You really did great help on this project as well. Right now, I'm really trying my best for the main menu, because as of right now, the main menu is not working as intended. So, what if I copy this and if it complains, then it's the coder's fault? And then it's the start the Game Boys. What does it not like? Show potential fixes. Wait, it wants an end bracket? I'm so stupid. Oh my gosh. Okay. So hopefully delegate would fix my problem, but I have no idea. Hopefully my phone isn't making those errors again. And so I could finally see the live chat on here without having to look on my computer for that. So that can go. Alright. Let's see if impersonation works and brings me to the place I want to. Because if it does that, then that means it's great. And it means I don't have to worry about the add listener again. Okay, so now I'm having a feeling that it might be like some sort of image's fault. Now it's behind images. So if it's by itself, then will it work? Because it's supposed to. It's the image's fault. Oh my gosh, really? Image's fault? Basic UI and everything, but really Image's fault? You gotta be kidding me. And, I mean, I still have to model pipes and everything? Oh my gosh. I have a lot to do. I made the AI for the robot a little bit better, but he's going through the wall. I mean, it's still very sad. He's going through the wall, but his AI is a little better. Also, I need to make like the friction a little bit more manageable, because a human I animated that myself, so it makes sense. Move out of the way! For crying out loud. Oh my gosh. That definitely makes him more of a threat, because he looks at you now. Like, really, he looks at you now. Now, this comes in like sort of, I don't know, would you call it like a 2010 game? 2010 type of game? I don't know. I mean, it's really like those kind of really shot down horror games, but, yeah. Nothing too far, but, now that I got the actual main menu working, maybe I should actually, like, put in the audio for it as well, because if I put in the audio source for it, for the background, then, That should be good. And so, there we go. Oh my gosh, it's having errors again. Have no idea why. Ooh, maybe we should make like the light actually go through and flash, like in the actual game. So animation. The light flicker. Where's my animation window? I forgot. It took away my animation window. I can't take away my animation window like that. Come on. There we go. That's really bright though. But does make for a sort of good animation though. So I'll take it. And then we just put the audio onto the light. And we got light flicker, boys, in the main menu. Let's see how it's like. Let's hope it's not bad. Holy snap, that's loud though. Okay, so that's a little loud for the light. I could just turn down the volume though. Maybe that will work. Maybe. It kind of brings impersonation out of the light though, like as in it blends in pretty well, which is never good for a game. I need to change that. So impersonation, you need to be bigger. Well, you need to be a different color, I guess. Yeah, I guess that works. We could do like a little flashing title screen too, where it's like a blinking impersonation thing. It looks kind of nice. What do you guys think? You guys think the main menu looks fine? Yo, thanks. I mean, even though this is for a game jam and it's going like out of its way, we have 20 hours left. So it really does mean quite a lot. And to be honest, I don't have the jump scare included in yet. Like, oh my gosh. So, I really have to make the jump scare, because as of right now, once your HP hits 0, it doesn't really matter to it. Once the HP hits 0, it goes into the negatives and eventually just dies out and stuff like that. And I really need to change that for the player moving scripts. And so player hurt. Basically, what is scare? Wait a minute. Capsule scare. Oh, scares the animation. Oh boy. So, so basically we need to make it where if HP is less than 0 or well 1, then it should trigger a game over screen or something like that. Now, with the new chase stuff that my sound designer actually made, which is actually really good, so I am feeling like we're gonna have to use it in the final animation, which is going to be where once they go through this elevator, there's going to be like a long hall, and then the animatronic is going to come right behind you and have this animation where they're going to come after you, and eventually, basically the end of the game is you being stuffed inside of a suit, just like any other Five Nights at Freddy's game. But instead, that would be like some good ending instead. So, that's something to look forward to in making a full game about this. So, let's see. If HP goes over 1, we first have to return, because we don't want it to go past, we don't want it to go into the back feature of it. And, let's see. We also need to add some post-processing, which is indeed going to take some time, but anything to make the game look better, huh? Let's see. So first let's not do the HP, because, well, back will of course allow movement again, and you don't need that. We could also disable the animatronic once we're out of lives too, so that would be really good as well. Just so you can't keep on dying after the game says it's game over. You can't get overkilled. And so let's see. And yes, of course, we are a bean. If you guys learned anything, single player games are made with a bean. Well, not all of them, but most of them. They're all made of a bean. Okay, so we need to make it where robot disappears. Robot dot. I think that might actually be a transform. I'm gonna check. Robot is the script. Oh boy. So robot dot game object dot set active. We're gonna set that to false, because we don't want him to keep killing you even though you're already dead. Now, we don't want you to get hit with more damage after you can't move, because that'll be a little bit rude, if you ask me. You just keep getting damaged after you can't move, so I'm gonna put an if statement. If allow movement if is false, then you can't take more damage. So that's at least good. So that puts this statement in a full effect, because it's going to check if allow movement is true. If it is, then it will set it to false, and then set it to this, so that it only plays once instead of doing however much damage it is. So, I mean, I know how much damage it is. Not going to say it. If you guys see it, keep it a secret. At least for this game jam, you don't have to share your code, but yeah, cause this is some spaghetti code right here, boys. Spaghetti code. Everybody loves some spaghetti code. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, that's right. We got surround check. I really think we should, like, remove the decision base of the levers, because there's no reason for them. And so, let's see. We need to make it a little bit bigger so that the robot itself can actually hit you, because as of right now, he just needs a lot of space to hit you. So, robot, where are you? I think it's Springtrap. And eye distance 200, of course. We're gonna have to put this. Let's put it on the pelvis, because that's easier. And let's see. We're gonna put a sphere collider, and that actually looks like a good enough distance for them to hit you, actually. So, not bad. And then we also need to make this where it ignores player, so that player can't collide. No, this object only. And then for the spring trap, we need to make it where, well, actually no, it's for the player. We need to make it where if the player gets contained into it, they're dead. So, collider, death collider. And then, where is it that it tracks whether they're dead or not? Is it really not in this one? That has to be not true. No. Really? It sends it to the player? It sends it to player script, apparently. So, we need to make this, not listen collider, death collider. Then once they get caught in the death collider, they will get hurt. Sounds good enough. Sounds good enough. Doesn't it, boys? I mean, it doesn't have to be too big, you know? So I just want to see if this actually works, in any case. So, it's good to test it. And man, it's going to take some time to test. What the heck? He's T-posing at me. He's T-posing me. What the heck? What's going on? Oh, Death Collider hasn't been assigned. Oh no. He was T-posing at me. That's not what you do. Oh my gosh. Funniest stuff I've ever seen. A T-posing spring trap, even though it's not really a T, but that's the T-pose. It's a T-pose state. That's all I will say. He be coming after me, you know. Well, okay, there we go. We know it works. Cool. Well, knowing he's... Oh no. Will you stop moving, please? Okay, it means something. Man, he's killing me off a distance, man. But hey, he's doing 25 damage to me. Not bad. No way he knows. Oh no, he knows. He knows. He knows, he knows, he knows. Well, at least we know it works, but it's a little worrying when in tight spaces like this now. Okay, no, he knows where I am. This dude's a master of sound, you know? I have to go back there, but he's back there. He's ready to kill me. I could hear him. I'm fine. I'm fine. We all know that. I'm fine. I'm fine. Definitely fine. Nothing gonna happen. He's not gonna follow me. He can't see me. Well, that's technically not how lights work. You can't get the amount of light being shined upon one object. Not that I know of. I mean, it does make sense why you would suggest that, but I don't think there's a possible way of doing that. He's just one smart being. Except he's not a being, he's a bunch of beings. You guys think it's a good game so far? Even though it's a few simple tasks. Now let's see. Now I know this gets up to like 100 something. I know this gets up to 100 something. The Y value gets up to like 100 something. What am I doing? I need delta time. That's what I'm missing. I need delta time. I need the frame rate. You need to multiply it by delta time. It's something, it's the time, something. What the heck? Delta time. I know it exists. Delta dot time. Unity. Time dot delta time. Ah, I see. That should make it run on a more experienced level for lower frame rates as well. So it's not strange for lower types of frame rates. Now the only thing I'm afraid of is that it's going to be like a Sonic speed. But I could always adjust the speed. So. Alright, test number 1. Okay then. I didn't move anywhere. I guess no delta time. No delta time. Sorry guys. I know you guys were excited. Don't lie to me. We all know you were excited about delta time. And then I'm gonna make it where if they press like if they press escape, it will go back to the menu scene. Input dot get key. I need to get key. The Doomslayer has entered the facility. Let's see, and then I also need like scene management. Yeah, it's not gonna show up because I don't have scene management. load scene. I'm actually thinking of creating a loading screen, and I've kind of looked up how to do it. I think I kind of know how to do it too. How to make a loading screen in Unity, and it looks pretty easy, which is why they have like a async thing. So I came to like this website, and ta-da, I got like the code for it, and I kind of understood what they did. So let's see. So maybe I could do something. So it's like load scene async, and it loads it in the background. And so async, yeah, it has like a bunch of async stuff. Asynchronous operation. Async operation, well, let's make it easier. Load equals, because I want to make a load animation. Loading operation. Progress. Okay, yeah, alright, fine. Okay, look. We could start a coroutine and then have the I enumerator load check, and then have load check come in right here. Spaghetti code. Then yield return new wait 4 seconds. One second, it checks the code. If wait, async operation load, so that the whole function knows what it is, and then load dot is done, and then it no.
Okay, do you have any light clothes to watch?
Interesting. I don't need that. So, do I load in the scene after? debug.log. I'm doing the logging stuff because I want to know when it ends and if it does it automatically. So else it will start the coroutine again. So we got the coroutine. We need to go back to the main menu for this, but I want to see what will happen. Save. We're back on the main menu. So I wonder what will happen with the async load. And if it's as desirable to have a loading screen. Okay. Oh, it's because I pressed escape. Forgot I did that. So, it did not say done, actually. Synchronous operation. Is it supposed to be asynchronous operation? I think it's supposed to be async operation because this is from like Unity, I don't know, 2019? It's from Unity something. So, what kind of game you making? I'm making a horror game for this gamejam, and so far there's no horror aspect into it except for the amazing noises that I got provided with. Okay. It didn't say done. Do I have to add like some thing about it? No. Asynchronous operation. Asynchronous operation. Async operation. Let's not make it... Okay. Let's not make it where it's allowed to do that. So, I'm gonna make it where load is not allowed to start up the scene by itself. So, now, if anything, it should say done. Oh. Object not set to a null object. Set to a null object. What are you talking about? Set to a null object. Okay. I guess it wants demo basement. I really have no idea what it's asking for. Oh, 15. So that wasn't the problem. It was... So I just have to do that. And the problem was that there was nothing being loaded in at that time, so that load thing really doesn't do anything. So, fixed. Oh boy. So, by anything, it shouldn't allow the scene to move on. API. Allow scenes to be activated as soon as it's ready. As the operation finished, priority lets you tweak in which order operations will be called, progress, completed, documentaries. Well, you could probably call progress and then if it equals 1. Main menus. It's always gotta be main menus. Okay, I gotta do something. I am going to do this. Well, not that, but I'm going to do this. I'm gonna set the button UI, start button and then get the component of text within it. Get child, get components in children. Text dot text equals load progress. Cannot convert float to string to string. There, it should stop complaining now. And then voila. So it should change the play button now as it's going along on its journey. Point 9. Can it only get up to 0.99 or something? Seems kind of weird. Else if load dot progress equals 0.9 as a float. And that will cause this to go again. And oh, what's your idea? Anything to make the robot smarter or any much of a fun game experience would be great help. Oh, he knows. No. He knows I'm going over here. This is not a good space for me to be in. This is not a good space. Yeah, you can just put them in the comments if you want. Ah, good game ideas. Leave me alone. Yeah, just stay over there with that wall that you like very much. No, 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 you please. Yeah, thank you. Come again. Wow. Loading does work. That's very good. Why? Okay, it just cleared my results, but okay. So that's very good. Means the main menu works. Just gotta check. Menu is the first thing good. Can you make his movement speed faster once he detects you? That's actually that's a good suggestion. Well, actually, that is kinda true. In his programming, he goes a little bit faster. Oh wait, no it doesn't. Alright. Yeah, he should go faster. I definitely agree. When he sees you. Let's do 150 with acceleration of 16. Oh boy. This is gonna be the fastest robot in the town, in the city. Like, oh boy. How doomed we are. Humanity is just doomed. Alright, Unity froze for a minute. Okay, there we go. So, we need to change our company name to Game Development Services, because that's our... The lighting, vibes, and moods give me a lot of inside Limbo feel. Ah! Oh, really? Wow. This is the only time the game ever looks good, so... Maybe you could use these images to, like, your advantage, but then again, the game jam is over in, like, less than 24 hours, so... I mean, if you're willing to stay and, like, work with me on impersonation for, like, especially the multiplayer version, you could definitely, like, redo some of the audio to fit your perspectives on the game if you want. Like the lighting, vibes, and the moods that you get that feel like inside in Limbo. I mean, even though I only know one of those games, the lighting is a good idea, but not too bright of a light, like a flickering light. So you want a light, the flickering lights to be a little bit more lightable. Is that what I'm getting at? And I would do multiplayer. Well, I mean, I was asking for if our sound designer wanted to do multiplayer, because if they want to do the sound design for multiplayer as well as like all of the single player and still wants to be in the team for impersonation, then that's their choice. Yeah, well, talk more about continuing to work. Oh boy. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I definitely gotta have some more work onto this. So, we're done with the menu. We need to go to the basement. I mean, the sounds are perfect enough, don't get me wrong. They're amazing for the game. And for any type of sound, that's pretty amazing for what you do. I mean, for the multiplayer version especially, it's definitely going to be using some of the sounds unless they get a Redux version. But yeah, it's definitely your choice if you really want to stay in the impersonation team and just, you know, do your thing. Feel the best about what you do. So, first of all, we need to get how high the elevator goes, because once we get that, it will definitely fix a lot of things. He's going to see me at first sight, but I could do this. You could also see the red light. They're like, oh wait, I need to see how fast he's going. Like, holy snap. Wait, is that fast? Oh, whoa! Whoa! Holy snap. Well, for me, it is dinner time, but I will continue the stream soon, so I will continue the stream soon. Thank you for everybody who came tonight for my doing of the game jam. I will probably stream again for like the last few hours of the jam, but after dinner I'm definitely getting right back to it and streaming again. If you guys come back on, that's pretty cool. If you guys don't, well, you probably are sleeping or something, so see you guys later.